Ever wondered if your job could be taken over by a sophisticated machine? Well, guess what? AI might just be polishing its resume for your job right now. It's like this. AI was born in the 1950s, a cute little concept that has grown up to be a big deal. It's been busy learning, evolving, and worming its way into all sorts of industries. So AI has come a long way since its birth in the 50s, from being a mere sci-fi concept to a reality that could potentially snatch our jobs. How's that for a career change? And speaking of AI, we can't ignore the tech mogul who has a love-hate relationship with it, Elon Musk, or as we like to call him, the unofficial AI comedian. Musk's take on AI is a cocktail of paranoia and innovation, fearing a Skynet-style takeover one minute and launching AI projects like OpenAI and Neuralink the next. And let's not forget his tweet storms about AI, a comic relief in the otherwise serious tech world. So, while Musk is busy worrying about AI turning us into house cats, the rest of us might need to worry about AI turning us into, well, jobless. But all jokes aside, will the rise of AI really lead to a massive job loss? Or are we just being overly dramatic about our silicon-brained friends? The question is as loaded as a dishwasher in a house with quintuplets. Sure, AI might swipe some jobs, but it could also whip up fresh ones like robot wrangler or AI ethics consultant. So, the future might not be as bleak as we imagine. So, while AI might take away some jobs, it could also create new ones. Who knows, maybe in the future, AI babysitter will be a legit job title. Now, wouldn't that be something?